Tucked away on the quiet southern coast of Rhodes, the Atrium Prestige Thalasso Spa Resort and Villas has built itself a reputation as one of those places people talk about for years after they leave. Sitting right on the beachfront near the small village of Lacania, this five-star resort offers the kind of escape where the rest of the world genuinely feels far away. With a score of 9.4 on Booking and a remarkable 4.8 out of 5 across more than 3,700 reviews on TripAdvisor, it has clearly struck a chord with travelers from all walks of life. So what exactly makes this Greek hideaway so loved? Let's take a proper look at what guests can expect from the moment they check in. From the rooms to the restaurants, the spa to the sea, this review covers every corner of the experience. When it comes to accommodation, the Atrium Prestige offers a surprisingly wide range of choices, which is good news for anyone traveling solo, as a couple, or with a tribe of relatives in tow. Guests can pick from twin and double rooms, deluxe rooms, suites, bungalows, and full-on villas, with each category designed to suit a different kind of holiday. The deluxe family suite is especially popular for those bringing the kids along, offering sea views that make even the early morning coffee feel like a postcard moment. Bungalows give that low-rise, garden-style feel where you can step outside and almost dip your toes in the pool, while the villas provide a much more private, secluded experience for guests who want space to spread out. Reviewers consistently praise the rooms for being spacious, modern, and immaculately clean, which is reflected in the resort's stellar 9.7 cleanliness score. The styling leans into a calm, contemporary Mediterranean look, with soft tones, natural materials, and large windows that frame either the sea or the gardens. Many of the higher-tier rooms come with private terraces or balconies, and some villas include their own pools, which is a real luxury when you want a swim without leaving your slippers behind. Guests have noted modern touches throughout, and the comfort score of 9.9 on Booking suggests the beds and overall feel are genuinely excellent. Families will appreciate the variety of layouts, while couples can lean into the quieter suite categories for a romantic feel. Wherever you land in the resort, you're rarely far from the sound of waves or the rustle of palm leaves, which sets the tone for the whole stay. Moving on to the food and drink scene, Atrium Prestige really doesn't hold back. The resort runs multiple dining venues with names like Lacania, Aegean, Asia, Prestigio, Thalassa, and Sta Carvana spread around the property. That kind of variety means guests staying for a full week or longer aren't stuck rotating between the same two buffets every night, which is a genuine plus. Each restaurant has its own personality and culinary direction, ranging from traditional Mediterranean flavors to Far Eastern-inspired dishes, with grilled specialties and seafront dining also on offer. The food is consistently described as great by guests, which is no small feat given how often resort dining can be hit or miss. Beyond the variety, what guests really appreciate is the quality of the ingredients and the care that goes into the presentation. Whether you're grabbing a relaxed lunch in your swimwear or sitting down for a proper evening meal with a view of the sea, the experience tends to feel polished without being stuffy. The bars around the property offer everything from morning espressos to evening cocktails, with sunset drinks being a particular favorite among longtime visitors. There's something pleasantly indulgent about sipping a cold drink while watching the sky turn pink over the Aegean. For travelers who love to eat their way through a holiday, this place practically begs you to loosen your belt by day 3. Now let's talk about the pools and the beach, because this is where Atrium Prestige really earns its keep. The resort features 4 outdoor pools, including an infinity pool that looks like it spills straight into the sea, plus a hot tub for when the breeze picks up in the evening. There are plenty of loungers spread across the pool areas, and reviewers regularly mention not having to play that miserable early morning towel game just to claim a spot. The beachfront location is one of the resort's biggest selling points, with a private beach area that's been described as clean, calm, and beautifully kept. The water here is famously gentle, with very few waves and surprisingly clear conditions for spotting fish and patches of coral. For those who like to do more than just float on their back, the resort offers a solid lineup of water activities. Snorkeling is popular thanks to the clear conditions, and adventurous types can try diving or windsurfing depending on the season and the wind. The combination of a proper sandy beachfront and well-maintained pools means guests rarely have to choose between sea or chlorine. Most just rotate between the two throughout the day. The landscaping around the pools is lush and well thought out, with shaded spots, palms, and gardens that give the whole area a resort island feel. It's the kind of setup that makes a 4 or 5 hour pool day feel completely reasonable. For the more active guests, there's no shortage of things to do on land either. The resort has tennis courts, a mini golf course, volleyball, ping pong, darts, and even a pool table for indoor games on the rare cloudy afternoon. The on-site fitness center and gym are well equipped, giving guests the option to keep up their training routines or at least feel slightly less guilty about the dessert spread. There are entertainment staff who organize various activities throughout the day, ranging from casual sports games to evening shows, depending on the program. For travelers who like to stay busy on holiday, the lineup of options means there's almost always something happening somewhere on the property. Beyond the structured activities, the resort also encourages guests to get out and explore the natural surroundings. The southern coast of Rhodes is known for its quieter, more unspoiled feel, which suits walkers, joggers, and anyone who wants to take a slower-paced stroll. Tennis enthusiasts often book sessions in the cooler early morning or late afternoon, and the mini golf course tends to be a fun group activity for families or friends having a casual evening out. The variety on offer makes it easy to mix things up day by day rather than falling into the same routine. Even guests who came purely to relax often find themselves picking up a paddle or signing up for a snorkeling session by midweek. The resort genuinely caters to both ends of the holiday spectrum, from full-on lazy to constantly on the move. The spa and wellness side of Atrium Prestige is one of the headline acts, and the word Thalasso in the resort name is a strong hint. The spa offers a wide range of treatments, including massages, body scrubs, body wraps, and light therapy sessions designed to leave guests feeling completely reset. There's a proper sauna and a Turkish-style steam bath, along with a steam room and a calm relaxation lounge where guests can decompress between treatments. For those serious about wellness, the spa offers full packages that combine multiple treatments, which is ideal for travelers wanting to dedicate part of their trip to genuine self-care. Even the inclusion of a massage chair in the spa area shows attention to those small details that elevate the experience. The atmosphere of the spa is quiet, calm, and unhurried, which is exactly what you want when paying for a treatment. Guests often mention that the therapists are skilled, professional, and genuinely friendly, which makes a noticeable difference. The combination of sea air, sunshine, and proper spa sessions is a powerful one, and many visitors leave looking visibly more relaxed than when they arrived. Whether you're after a single deep tissue massage or a full multi-day wellness program, there's enough on offer to build a routine that suits your goals. The Thalasso angle, focused on the therapeutic use of seawater and marine elements, adds something a little different to the wellness menu. For wellness travelers, this resort easily justifies the trip on its own. Although the resort welcomes adults of all kinds, it's also a fantastic spot for families, and the team has clearly put real thought into keeping younger guests entertained. There's a playground for the smaller kids, plus pool areas and beach zones suitable for splashing and building sandcastles. The entertainment staff often run programs aimed at children, ranging from games and crafts to mini sports sessions. Parents tend to appreciate this kind of structured fun because it gives the adults a chance to actually finish a book by the pool without constant interruption. The deluxe family suites are particularly handy for keeping everyone comfortable, with the space and layout designed for families traveling together. Older kids and teens have plenty to enjoy too, from the water sports on the beach to ping pong, mini golf, and tennis on the property. The general vibe of the resort is calm and safe, which gives parents peace of mind to let teenagers roam a bit more freely than they might elsewhere. The variety of pools means kids can find one that suits their mood, whether it's splashing in shallower zones or doing endless cannonballs in the deeper sections. Plenty of families come back year after year, which says a lot about how well the resort handles a multi-generational holiday. For parents looking for a destination where everyone in the family genuinely gets something out of the trip, this place ticks a lot of boxes. In terms of nearby attractions, the resort sits in a beautifully quiet part of Rhodes, with the small village of Lachania about 3 kilometers away. This is a great spot for guests who want to wander into a traditional Greek village, see whitewashed houses, and grab a coffee at a local cafe to feel the slower pace of the island. Beach lovers can also explore nearby coastal gems, including Kalavriaki Beach and the lovely stretch of Plumiri, both popular for their natural feel. Further along the coast is Prassinisi, a famous spot known for its dramatic geography and its reputation as a top destination for kitesurfing and windsurfing. For those wanting to venture further, the rest of Rhodes opens up plenty of cultural and historical sites, including ancient ruins, medieval towns, and traditional mountain villages. The location of the resort means guests trade a bit of distance from the main tourist hubs for a much more peaceful setting. Most travelers find that the trade is more than worth it, especially if they rent a car for a day or two to explore further afield. The southern part of the island is generally less crowded, which is a welcome change for anyone who has dealt with summer crowds in busier Mediterranean spots. It's a great base for a mix of resort relaxation and authentic Greek discovery. Looking at the overall picture, Atrium Prestige Thalasso Spa Resort and Villas delivers a genuinely strong holiday experience that's hard to fault. The standout strengths are clear, with cleanliness scoring 9.7, comfort at 9.9, staff at 9.9, and free Wi-Fi hitting a perfect 10 on booking reviews. Guests repeatedly praise the friendly, attentive staff, the quality of the food, the beautiful rooms, and the peaceful, well-kept grounds. The slightly weaker point is location, scoring 8.8 simply because the resort is tucked away from the main tourist areas of Rhodes. For travelers who want walkable nightlife or constant shopping options nearby, this might feel a bit too quiet. That said, the location is exactly what most guests come for, so the lower score really only matters to a certain type of visitor. Value for money sits at a respectable 9.1, which suggests guests feel they get a fair deal for what they pay. The combination of high quality and a peaceful setting clearly works for the majority of travelers who book a stay here. Reviews describe it as a beautifully run, peaceful resort with excellent food, superb service, and standout staff, which is about as glowing as guest feedback gets. For couples, families, and wellness seekers alike, this resort lives up to its reputation. What really sets Atrium Prestige apart from the wider crowd of Mediterranean five-star resorts is its blend of genuine wellness focus, peaceful setting, and serious variety in what it offers. The Thalasso Spa concept gives it a unique health and wellness identity, while the multiple restaurants, 4 pools, and private beach access keep things feeling indulgent and resort-like. The fact that it caters equally well to couples seeking romance, families needing space, and wellness travelers chasing reset days is no small achievement. Few resorts manage to keep all those groups happy at the same time, but the consistently high ratings suggest this one pulls it off. The level of service, repeatedly described as warm and personal, gives the place a memorable feel rather than the cold polish of some big-name brands. For business travelers and group organizers, the resort also offers facilities suitable for events and gatherings, with spacious grounds and quality dining venues that can host private functions. The setting works beautifully for smaller corporate retreats, celebrations, or destination weddings, especially when guests want a calm and scenic backdrop. While it's not primarily marketed as a conference hotel, the combination of accommodation variety and event-friendly spaces makes it a reasonable option for the right kind of gathering. Finally, the guest experience highlights are what truly make Atrium Prestige memorable long after the suitcases are unpacked at home. Visitors consistently mention specific staff members by name in reviews, which is a strong sign of genuine connection rather than just polite service. Small touches like the friendliness of housekeeping, the attentiveness of the restaurant teams, and the personalized care in the spa add up to a stay that feels human. Many reviewers describe their stays as among the best holidays they've ever had, with several giving overall ratings of 9 out of 10 or higher. It's the kind of place where guests come for the location and return for the people, which is the highest compliment a resort can earn. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.